How's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here. To start off this week's, or maybe it'll be two vlog week, we're not sure yet. We are back with the Hoopty. As you remember from last episode, we have all new shocks all the way around. New front steering stabilizer. How's it riding, Hunter?
It's riding fantastic. 10 times better than it was.
Awesome. So what we're doing right now is we got a new rear, not bumper, a tailgate. I can't even think today. So I just arrived about 10 minutes ago, or he started working about 10 minutes ago. I just got here. So he's already got it halfway off, basically. We got to take out the innards of these, which shouldn't be that bad, actually.
Got some critters living in there.
Yeah, a little bit of critters. Yeah, might have one on fire. So it doesn't look too bad. Let's see here, just take those, boom, boom. Yep. Okay. But other than that, though, and then we got mirrors, right?
We don't have mirrors today, but they're coming.
Oh, okay.
So this weekend, I'll have them in this weekend.
Okay. So we'll get in the mirrors, new little mirrors installed. These should be a breeze. Oh, yeah. I mean, he's already got it. Ignore the noise. Oh, I wish my truck was like that. My truck's a pain. Yeah, boom, 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 done. That's not fair. So we're going to start working on the tailgate. Oh, look. Oh, snap. We're getting out. Solid black. I like it.
There's a couple dents in it, but you know.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Perfect.
Let's see, it's got a little bit of dents in it.
I'm gonna let it ride.
There we go.
All right, now that metal piece just lifts up off of that.
And then I gotta get. Okay. Now I gotta get this one out. Come on. Oh, that's.
And then.
Oh, that's pretty.
We gotta unbolt this, and then this whole assembly.
Okay.
Slides out.
You pull it this way out.
Oh, you actually might be able to pull it that way.
Yeah, if you're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smart thinking. Alrighty.
You want me to get my ratchet screwdriver? I've got one that's a ratchet. This makes it so much easier.
Oh, sure. Let's do it.
Yeah, I got the dual. It's in the truck.
Absolutely. We need as much help as we can get.
It's like a normal handheld screw, but it's a ratchet, like a ratchet socket. Figure it out.
Something like that.
Something like that. Yeah.
Oh wait, we gotta go right there.
Over it. Okay. Put your bolt. Oh wow, this is plug and play. Awesome.
That's what we want.
Yes.
We've done a lot of fabricating.
Guys,
I just broke your bead. There we go.
This is a DeWalt. It's a ratchet screwdriver and stuff. It's got like 15 different attachments, and they're all in here. Oh, I just dropped one. 14 different attachments now. But it's freaking awesome. If you don't have access to like a drill or anything, like an electric drill, this works like the next best. So what we just gotta do is, this is the only odd bolt screw, so I'm gonna put this one went in here. So you just gotta flip it around, and there you go. Just button it up, and then I'll just do loosely, and then I'll go back and tighten them down. Because when we took them off, they were kind of loose. They weren't exactly like tight, per se. Alright guys, so we almost killed ourselves in the four-wheelers, and now we're taking apart the other side of the tailgate. Hunter's loosening up the bracket system right here. I'm loosening up the clap system right here. Clap system, the tailgate attachment system, whatever you want to call it.
Same thing, right?
Yeah, whatever. As you can see, we already got the new one in, all strung up and whatnot, so just got to put this side in. And then the main issue we're going to have are these clips. Which I'm thinking, if we just have two on that side and just do like a cross in the middle,
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine till you get more.
That saves us from having to do. We can destroy four. Not destroy them, but if we don't get them out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
We'll be good to go.
All right, guys, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Rev it. Look at that. Woo! That was from Boosted Auto and cost him, like I said, $40. The only issue has two small dents in it, but it looks so much better on the truck. Oh my gosh, that looks 10 times better. What? Oh yeah, that looks 10 times better.
I don't know, she was kind of right. We'll do do I go black with the truck or do I stay gray?
All right, guys, we just got done ripping on the four wheelers a little bit and stuff like that. It's just a good time. It's just a 90 and 50 cc. I didn't bring my GoPro because I had no way of carrying it. So, what do y'all want to see? Like, do y'all want me to get like a power sport on the channel, like a dirt bike or a four wheeler or something like that? Leave your comments down below if y'all want to see that on the channel. So, we'll see. All right, guys. So you're probably wondering why I'm taking off my gas cap again for a second time. Well, something else is getting color matched. Not going to say what it is yet. You'll find out here very shortly. But it also involves my new sponsorship on the channel, which again, you'll find out very shortly. So you're going to take the gas cap off. The gas cap's got to be shipped out. That'll be riding, instead of trucks in water, it'll be ghettos in water because, you know, riding out of the gas cap. But you know, sometimes you have to make a little sacrifice to make the truck look better. Me and Hunter are in pull apart.
I'm manning the wheelbarrow.
He's manning the wheelbarrow. We're looking for parts for his the little hoopty. So
Good thing I don't need any doors.
yeah, it's a good thing you don't need any doors. Yeah. Holy crap, they've yanked almost everything off this engine.
Anything I can use. Boy, that engine has had a rough life.
Looks like a blown head gasket. Well, guys, we found the year of Hunter's truck with no motor in it. But it does have an Instagram name on the back of it, so you want to go follow lowered Yoda _lower Yoda. Go follow it. The interior seems like it's in great condition.
Oh, wow.
There's a penny.
When was it made? 89. Same year as mine.
202,274 miles on it. Another penny.
Yep. Let's see.
It's in pretty good condition, though. It's not that much.
Actually, Josh,
What?
this dash pad, I could use it. It's in better shape than mine.
How do you get this son of a bitch off?
Very carefully.
Update on the current situation. We are about neck deep in a Toyota trying to get his dash apart.
In a shitstorm.
Yeah, it used to be a nice truck. We kind of figured the owner probably worked for like Papa John's. Nice window, 5% window tint. Smells like weed in here.
It does smell like weed.
So, you know, and the owner probably did some ganja every now and then.
So at him.
Yeah,
on
make sure
Instagram.
you follow him. Alright guys, so we actually found the owner of the previous vehicle on Instagram. His name is Seth Ball. He's 21 from Asheville, professional asshole, 06 Mini Cooper S, and slammed 89 Toyota, which is right here.
Sorry, man, we're taking your truck apart.
This is hilarious. Hunter got his dash. Very nice.
It's in pretty good shape, too,
Yeah.
by now.
Clean it up.
We're gonna have to go see what they charge us for it. It's over $100. Screw it. I'm not doing it.
Okay. Alright everybody, we got the parts here. Hunter's putting the dash inside the truck. The lady up front had no idea what this was, so it was kind of interesting. A few 10 seconds. But so we got the dash, we got a grab handle, we got the padding for the steering wheel. All told about 60 bucks.